After making many videos about the smartphone, I decided why not to try how Geekbench and Antutu benchmark works on the smartphone. I will make a Geekbench dedicated video, but let's just see. For reference, all of you guys who don't know, this smartphone is having the same processor that is found on the Samsung Galaxy A50 and the A50s. So you won't be disappointed with the results. And this smartphone is more powerful than the Snapdragon 665, and you can play PUBG and all the other games in more than 60 FPS, and that's enough. So let's see, the results will tell you the story, because many guys don't believe on numbers, they just love the result of Antutu and they believe that yeah, this smartphone is powerful according to Antutu and Geekbench. The Geekbench video is coming soon, and yes, the battery drain test is also coming soon. So if you want more videos like these, subscribe my channel so that you won't miss the notification of any new video, and watch this video till the end to get to know more about the results. So thanks a lot for watching, and my name is Talha. You're watching Gadget Sphere. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.